Hey there, fellow Northeast gardeners! Welcome back to the channel. You might think summer is winding down, and the gardening season with it, but I'm here to tell you it's not too late. In fact, August is a crucial month for keeping your garden thriving now and setting it up for a fantastic fall and even a beautiful spring. The August heat can be tough, so let's talk about giving your existing plants some TLC. First up, water, water, water. Make sure you're watering deeply, getting down to the roots, particularly for those precious tomatoes, peppers, and anything in containers. Next, it's harvest time. Enjoy the fruits and veggies of your labor. And don't forget to deadhead those spent blooms on your annuals and many perennials. This encourages them to keep producing flowers, sometimes even giving you a lovely second flush as we head into fall. Now, for the exciting part, planting for fall. You can absolutely get another harvest in before the frost hits. Think cool weather veggies like lettuce, spinach, kale, even carrots and beets. These guys actually prefer the cooler temperatures. Get those seeds or seedlings in the ground now, and you'll be enjoying fresh salads well into autumn. Believe it or not, August is also the time to start thinking about spring. It's the perfect time to order your spring blooming bulbs like tulips, daffodils, and crocuses. Getting them in the ground this fall will give them the chilling period they need to burst into color next spring. Start planning your spring displays now. August can also be a great time to plant new perennials, shrubs, and even trees here in the Northeast. The soil is still warm, allowing their roots to establish before winter sets in. And if you have overgrown perennials, now is often a good time to think about dividing and transplanting them once they've finished flowering. One more thing I highly recommend for Northeast gardeners is considering native plants. They're perfectly adapted to our climate. They support our local pollinators and often require less water and care once established. Look into incorporating some native beauties into your landscape. You won't regret it. So don't think the gardening fun is over. August is a busy but rewarding month in the Northeast garden. Get those late-season crops in, start planning for a spectacular spring, and give your existing plants some love. What are your top gardening tasks for August? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Northeast gardening tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.